Happy 10th birthday, Caleb. Still remember me? The teacher whom you used to tell the variety of dinosaurs. By the way, wishing you good health always and good luck to your adventurous learning journey and continue being a caring brother and a loving son to your parents. Again, Caleb, always remember that each day you'll become or you're becoming a stronger and a smarter boy. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless you, Caleb.
Hello Caleb, happy birthday. Ang wish lang ni teacher sa'yo ay nawa ay patuloy ka na maging mabuting bata at ipagpatuloy din ang pagiging masipag sa pag-aaral. Happy birthday Caleb, God bless you.
Hi Kuya Kay, happy birthday. Sana mapasaya ka namin ngayong araw na to. Proud na proud kami sa'yo. Matalino ka, mabait ka. Sana ipagpatuloy mo lang anak. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi Kuya! Happy 10th birthday! I love you so much. Always remember na nandito lagi si Mommy for you. At love na love kita. Believe in yourself and continue shining. I love you anak. Sending hugs and kisses to my brave and smart boy. I love you! Mwah!
Kuya Kay, good health. Sana matupad lahat ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Malaki ka na. Pwede ka nang tumulong sa mami at daddy. May makatulong na si daddy sa pagluluto. Maghuhugas ka na ng pinggan. Kuya? Magpapatuloy na tayo? Salamat.
Happy birthday, Kuya! I love you! Stay safe ka sa birthday mo. Happy! Goodbye!
Kuya Kay, happy birthday. Stay smart lang. At saka sana maging mabait ka, magalang. Maging smart din. At saka mahalin mo rin yung pamilya mo. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Kuya Kay. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. At sana maalam mo na mahal namin ikaw. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Caleb. Be good always.
We love you, Caleb.
Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pagkain. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday, Kuya Kay. Hello, Kuya Kay. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Tapos magbabait ka lagi. Huwag aawayin si Ate Baby. And mahalin mo ng sobra si Lolo at si Lola. Tsaka ako. Tsaka ang mami at daddy mo. And yun lang. Happy birthday. Yun ang Ache. Dixie pala.
Din, patiin mo si Kuya.
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Anong kay? Kuya Kay.
Kuya Kay!
Happy birthday, Caleb. Wala si Simon tsaka si Miguel. Nandito kami sa hospital eh. Bye-bye. Love you. Sakit na kamay ko. Love you, Kay.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kay. Wish ko sana palagi kang makikinig kay mami at daddy mo at sana ay lumaki kang masunurin at mabait sa mami at daddy mo at saka kay Ate Baby, huwag kayo palagi mag-aaway. Ayun lang, happy birthday. I love you, Kuya Kay.
Hi, Kuya Kay. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang na lumaki kang malakas, matatag, matalino. Ayun lang.
Hi, Kuya Kay. Kuya Kay, okay? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kuya Caleb. Enjoy your childhood while you can. Always make your mom and dad proud. Happy birthday!
Hello, inaanak, Caleb. Happy birthday. Sana ay patuloy ka maging mabuting bata At sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Caleb. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Stay kind and humble always and listen to your parents. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Caleb. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Caleb. Happy birthday. Always remember that I am always here for you as your good friend. Have a wonderful time and a very happy birthday. Wish you all the best. I got you.
Happy birthday. What's up, dude? And guess what? It's your birthday, so you should celebrate your own thing with your family. And spend some time with everybody. And get all of the blessings that you deserve. And once again, happy birthday. Bye!
Happy birthday, Caleb. I hope you enjoy your birthday and thank you for being my friend. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Caleb! We wish you would have more birthdays soon. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Caleb from Kansas!
Fly high butterfly.